Find the exact value of each of the following. So in other words, don't use a calculator. Number one, we're going to find the sine of pi over 3 and then find the sine of negative 2 pi over 3. Now the first evaluation here is the angle 2 pi over 3. Now notice that 2 pi over 3 is equal to pi minus pi over 3. So 2 pi over 3 is found by rotating up pi over 3 from the negative x-axis because they're subtracting pi over 3. This means that the line for 2 pi over 3 will be a mirror image of the line for pi over 3 only in the second quadrant. The coordinates for 2 pi over 3 will be the coordinates for pi over 3, except the x-coordinate will be negative. So again, as we stated here, we're going to start at pi, and then we're going to rotate up pi over 3 to get this angle here. So you can see here that we get 2 pi over 3. And therefore, it's going to be a mirror image of pi over 3. The only thing that's different is because it's in quadrant 2, then the value of the x-coordinate is going to be negative. Now, similarly, if we take a look at negative 2 pi over 3, we can notice that negative 2 pi over 3 is equal to negative pi plus pi over 3. So this angle can be found by rotating down pi over 3 from the negative x-axis. This means that the line for negative 2 pi over 3 will mirror the image of the line for pi over 3 only in the third quadrant, and the coordinates will be the same as the coordinates for pi over 3, except both will be negative. So again, here is pi, and now we're going to move in the direction of negative pi over 3 down. And so here is our angle negative 2 pi over 3. And in the third quadrant, both the x and y values are negative. So therefore, it becomes negative 1/2 negative square root of 3 over 2. Now, both of these angles along with their coordinates are shown on the following circle, as we just shown you. So from this unit circle, we can see that the sine of 2 pi over 3 is the y value, which is square root of 3 over 2. And the sine of negative 2 pi over 3 is the y value, and that is negative square root of 3 over 2. This leads to a nice fact about the sine function. The sine function is called an odd function, and so for any angle, we have the sine of negative theta is equal to the negative sine theta.